Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, January the 24th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address.
Glob.
This is a link to get into our free room. It's 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room.
Glob.
The room is open between 9 and 3, Monday to Friday. That's Eastern Time, of course. I share my screen, and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a sign up for the test drive. The test drive is something we do 4 times a year. It starts on February the 3rd and ends on February the 14th. That is 10 trading days. You sign up, it'll cost you $8.99, and you'll have access to our full premium subscription. It's also open to people who have our standard subscription, and you can upgrade for those 10 trading days to a premium subscription. Well, guys, this is going to be pretty quick. In fact, the only thing I might be doing while I'm... Oops, better get a chart up here. Sorry, forgot to... I only took one... Well, I took two... I only took one trade that I really talked about, and that was the CASA, and I'm still maybe going to take it. I took a 7-cent loss earlier. Just found it a difficult trending day, but this is something that I like a lot, and I might even swing it, depending what it does. I've got actually, you see a buy order right there at 457. But take a look at it on the, say, the weekly chart. I'm sure that's going to give it a good look. Yeah, you see what I'm looking at? Look at the big gap here. So, void gap, whatever you want to call it. So, and they basically, I think what they did is let's check my notes here. I think they released... Yeah, guidance. They have a guidance increase. They're February 20th, actually. So February 20th, so it's about a month away from their actual earnings, but they're guiding higher now. So that's why this stock popped. I'd love to see it if it can. Take a look at it on that 15-minute chart. I was saying in the room, it'd be wonderful if we just get a big volume bar, on that. There it is right there. But it'd be great if we could get even something like this. A little volume bar just to pop it, get it through that 450. There's the high, 457. So, that's about it. And that's all I've been really watching. I've been kind of fixated on that. Haven't seen, in the things that I'm following, I haven't seen a lot of great trending plays today. The market is still, disarray with what's happening, the coronavirus, still in disarray. We've had some of, the apt. I mean, there have been some amazing runs. But see, I find these difficult to trade. If I'm going to trade this, I have to take very few shares and put a wide stop because just look at the topping tails and the bottoming tails on the 15-minute chart. It is not smooth at all. So sure, it looks wonderful. There's a stock 536 and it hits 660. Fantastic. But you're going to be. It's tough for me anyway. It's very tough. You get all these topping tails, bottoming tails. What you'd like to have is a little more sense of direction without all the gyrations. But that's what you're going to get with something that has. Just let me do the symbol linking. Something that has probably 2 million or 5 million in the float, 11 million in the float. So that's typically what you're going to get because it's got such a low float, and people. It's traded a lot, 6.6 million, but where would you have entries? Yes, kind of. But anyway, highly speculative. I didn't take it today, and I'm definitely more interested in the CASA just to see if I can take this out. One of the reasons why you see these bottoming tails here. So again, what do those mean? I'm not saying this is beautiful either, but don't see as many topping tails. You see bottoming tails, which means the sellers in this particular case drove it down to there. Buyers moved it back up. Sellers moved it back down again. Buyers took it all the way up there. Then here are all these bottoming tails. The sellers have been really trying to knock this down. The sellers seem somewhat in control. That's all I can say. So anyway, we'll have to wait and see. Maybe a late day trade for me if it can take out that high and move from there. So anyway, guys, not too exciting. I don't know what to say. I have to wait and see what happens on Monday, see if this coronavirus really starts taking effect. I know there are some more cases in the United States starting to crop up. So obviously this is something that the World Health Organization has to take a look at and governments have to take a look at. Certainly stocks like CCL, the cruise the cruise ships. Nobody wants to travel. Nobody wants to be in with masses of people. The airlines. I was actually looking at Madison Square Garden just to see if Madison Square Garden was a little bit weak, but well, actually, look, it's starting to weaken. When I looked at it before, it was up. But just areas in which lots of people get together, the more if paranoia sets in, that's what people are not going to want to do that. Be interesting to see it. I'm sure the Super Bowl it won't affect it, but it will be interesting to see. I mean, look, if it really takes effect, and all of a sudden we start getting a big outbreak in the United States, people are going to be reluctant to, be with a lot like masses of other people. Anyway, we'll have to see what happens. So I want to bring back the capture program, and I will open the room 9 o'clock Monday morning. So I hope to see you there. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye bye.